Hi, Sam. What's your question?
On your TV documentary,
Yeah.
you didn't seem to get along with Mel B. Why was that?
Which documentary? Well, the one, the Raw Spice one?
Yeah.
Do you know what the funny thing is? Melanie and I were, like, the closest in the band. It's like we're two friends or two sisters. You kind of love each other the most, but you scrap the most. Do you know what I mean?
And the camera doesn't always pick up everything, you know?
Yeah,
Or
exactly.
doesn't always tell
you
the
know,
truth.
so actually we get on fine. I mean, we had our moments, but two fiery personalities, but don't know why.